What is going on, you lunatics? Thank you so much for tuning in. We're going to talk price action today. I'm going to show you why I think that we are ready for another big leg up. And I'm talking about a 20% increase I think we're about to see. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell to be notified. Make sure you leave a comment on this video. Very important to help the algorithm and help it trending. The more people who see me, the more people who see Terra Luna Classic, the more people potentially invest in this gem of a product. But let's go look at the charts. Let's figure out what's going on. It's not financial advice, but I'm always right.
It's your boy Bleeves.
All right, guys, you can see over here, I know it's not perfect here, but maybe we'll zoom in over it like this a little bit. You can see this. I've created this little yellow line right here. This is kind of a point of resistance. We'll make it a little bit bigger here so you can see it. But we really kind of have this wedge pattern that's been created. And you can see here, other than a few little pops right above the top, that we've really kind of respected this little trend line here. And going back through here, other than what you see in this little shit right here, this little spot right here, this little spot right here, we've really kind of respected this line all the way up. So you could say that that's probably a good sort of level of a resistance, right? Well, what's going to happen when this happens? We're coming from the downside. We're in a fairly positive market. Now, are we in a bull market? I mean, obviously, we're not yet in a bull market, but we're getting very, very close to some real positivity in the market. So what does that mean? Well, I think that means that the breakout is most probably to the upside on Luna Classic right now, and we should have at least something that goes above here. Now, I took the liberty, if you've paid attention, I didn't have this line on here yesterday, but this is where we've settled twice up here. So I think that what we've probably got is a little resistance right here, but then we'll probably be testing this area right here for a new level, and we'll see how that goes, whether it's support or if we get rejected there. But if it doesn't work out that way, then most probably we're looking at that 22. Now, I've been talking about 22 for a couple of days now because that looks like the logical breakout spot. If you look right here, we've been kind of bouncing this trend line, right? So at some point, we bounce this trend line one more time up to the top unless we get rejected and we start going back into a bearish pattern. So that being said, as we kind of move this out just a little bit, then we start to look at where it goes. And you can see right here at some point very, very soon during the course of this breakout, and we're already past this little crossover area, and it doesn't mean anything, right? It can go any which way at any time. But if we're going to test that sloping pattern right here, then we're probably going to be in this sort of area if we just get a real spike going right now. If not, then it could be a little bit higher. So that's what it looks like. That's the way it feels. I think that we're in store for kind of a breakout of this price action. So what we're going to do is I'm going to quick zoom here, and you can see exactly how this thing is. It's really just fought its way through this entire channel. So I think it looks perfect right now. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. It looks like it's about to break out, though. Also, you can see here that the volume is coming down. That doesn't mean that the price action is coming down, but the price action is coming down about 2%, not because of 37% decline in price action. That's a lot of swing traders, a lot of day trading, a lot of people looking to make a little bit of money off of it. So market cap still pretty secure, up and down 2% per day. But you are seeing a flow out on USTC. And that flow is also down to 43 million per day. And then finally, there was a thing here that says, I'm excited about the new Lunc DEX coming online. Now, a decentralized exchange for Terra Luna Classic is going to be an incredible thing. You can come over here and sign up for Terraport. Now, I don't know the validity of this, but I do see people talking about it. So, but it's a Terraport governance token public sale, and Terraport is going to be the decentralized exchange. And we'll see how this goes. I mean, that seems super exciting. That's exactly what we want, is a decentralized sort of space. So maybe, just maybe, this is something that's going to start pulling people back in, and that's going to be a great thing. Let me know what you think again down in the comments below. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified of future content. This is not financial advice. My name is Bleeves. I am always right. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you again soon.
I'm looking for the good life, good life. Sitting on top of the world, I wanna be shining.